What's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today I got another freebie for you all. I told you I had you all getting you ready for the weekend early. I thought the developer did a really good job on this watch face. He goes by the name of Watch Design. Now the name of the watch face is called Analog Metro. It's not a bad look at all for an analog dressed down watch face. So if you're going to be dressing down, this is definitely the timepiece you want to have on your wrist over the weekend. Now in AOD mode for the Gear 3, you're going to get the same look, the same design. For the Gear 2, I'm thinking this one looks super slick. I like the way the colors pop at night. This is definitely an awesome look. Now when the watch face is on, you get an analog watch face, traditional but blended with a little modern. It does look nice. You get a second hand. You also get nice stylish arms so far as your minute and your hours. Doesn't look bad at all. And you're also going to get your date over here to the left. Now the background is themed out a little bit. You really can't see it because I have it dimmed down quite a bit, but it's got a theme in the background that looks really nice, especially for a casual wear. And you're going to get your battery info here. You're going to get a needle to let you know just where you are so far as your battery percentage is concerned. It's going to represent 100% to 50, 50 all the way to almost 0. So I'm thinking it's a good look, especially people, especially considering that the watch face is free. All right, you all. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this watch face and if you're going to go download it. All right? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.